is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you my new setup, which is, by the way, not new, but I've done some work on it. I'm sorry about the cable management. My laptop is working as my home server and as Jellyfin server, and also I have my setup. Now, what's interesting is that I made a Macropad, and today I'm going to talk more about this Macropad than my entire setup. I haven't posted any vlogs or anything because I was busy with my studies. This is my second screen. PC is having a little bit problem that it seems to crash whenever it wants. There is no particular reason for it. I don't need to do a heavy gaming on it to make it crash. Nothing at all. It just seems to crash whenever it wants to. And here is my Macropad. As you can see from the very beginning of this video, I've been showing you this video for a long time, and this thing does some cool stuff. Basically it does is that it increases volume or decreases volume, and it is a Macropad, so I can program it whenever I want to. And this is a Raspberry Pi Pico. Let me show you some cool stuff. For example, this blue button launches Discord like this. This is really cool. What it does is that CircuitPython runs keyboard HID commands, and that's CircuitPython commands and stuff. I don't really understand them too much, so I'm not gonna explain the programs. I just copy pasted it from the internet and here and there and asked ChatGPT about it. Also, this thing pauses and increase volumes and musics, and I can program these buttons whatever I want it to do. For example, I can maybe make it to work as my mute button. Well, my PC just crashed now. I'm sorry, and as you can see, it's like everything is crashed, so I have to press the reset button. If anyone knows how to solve this problem, please tell me how to solve this problem, because I don't know how to solve this problem. My PC just randomly crashed. I claimed warranty before about my motherboard that it been not so good, and they said it had issues with it. Oh my god, my PCIe power cables for this graphics card. I think I detected the problem. Okay, it came to life. I hope it solved the problem. This thing particularly has LEDs, and these are RGB LEDs.